Today we'll be discussing combinations. Simply put, combinations are a way of selecting multiple objects from a set of available objects without regard to their order. In combinations, the order doesn't affect the outcome. So, choosing among us A and B is considered the same as choosing B and A. This differs from other counting rules. First, there are permutations, where order is crucial, as in pin codes or competition winners. AB's position is not the same as BA's. Then there are arrangements, which are essentially similar to permutations because they focus on the arrangement of objects. Finally, there are combinations with repetition, where we can choose the same object repeatedly, such as picking identical candies from a box. Now that we understand how they work, how do we calculate them? To find the number of ways to choose our objects from a total of n objects, we use the formula, where n is the total number of objects, r is the number selected, and the exclamation mark represents the factorial of the decreasing multiplication of the numbers up to 1. Why do we use the divisor below? The n, r, part serves to exclude the objects we didn't choose from the calculation. Meanwhile, the r part is the most important part of combinations. It's called a divisor to eliminate order. Since we assume A, B, and B, A, R equal, we divide the total number of possible arrangements by the number of possible arrangements of the selected objects to avoid double counting. To understand this more deeply, let's imagine a story. 3 Among Us players, A, B, and C, are walking together toward the center of the room. There, they must choose a team of 2 to advance to complete a mission. From this situation, the number of teams to be selected will be determined. The first team, Among Us A and C, will advance together to form Team A and C. The second team, Among Us A and B, will advance together to form Team A and B. The third team, Among Us C and B, will advance together to form Team C and B. The image explains the answer to the example question above, which is answered using the combination formula. In mathematics, combinations are used because the order of selection is not considered important. So, Team AB is counted the same as Team BA, using the combination formula, which results in a total of 3 different ways to form teams: Team AB, Team AC, and Team BC, namely 2 as R. The result of the calculation is 6 divided by 2.